Run it, DJ Joe. Yeah, yeah. Looking at you at the season in your heart. Que de moi pour les lui, we are leave. These other girls, I don't mind them at all, no, no. You want a can, only you that I see. But if only you could fall, then maybe you would know how I feel. If only you could rip out my heart and take out the love. Man, I went for you, boo, boo, boo. My feelings are true, no, no, no. I left my life down for you, boo, boo, boo. Until I give back again for you. But if you tell me you don't want me no more, then I will understand. Tell me you don't need me no more. Cause like a mommy kill a team. Bada bing, bada bang. I can never live without you. Like I'm standing on the moon with you. Girl, everything I see is brand new. Oh, girl, I'm going for you, my love. Loving on me out is all I got. Oh, girl, I'm going for you, my love. Loving on me out is all I got. Oh, girl, I'm going. Twinya Betty boom boom, Twinya Betty boom, baby crazy. Hey, yeah, hey, hey.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh na na na,
I'm telling you,
they can't say anything about you. Good or bad, what I know, you're a princess and I love you. Oh, Gali, we can keep it on the low, Gali. Cause you don't want them to know, Gali. You say you wanna keep it on the low, Gali. Cause you don't want them to know, Gali. Tell me you don't want me no more, then I will understand. Tell me you don't need me no more. Cause like a mommy kill a team. I can never live without you. Like I'm standing on the moon. Girl, everything I see is brand new. Oh, girl, I'm going for you, my love. Loving on me, that is all I got. Oh, girl, I'm going for you, my love. I can never live without you. Oh, girl, I'm going for you, my love. Twinya Betty boom boom, Twinya Betty boom, baby crazy. Hey, hey.
ladies and gentlemen, his name is Eezzy.
Hey.
The Lyrical Gino. I'm telling you.
Are you ready for this one? Are you ready? I'm a Indo, Ina Yedano Maigoma. You're my light in darkness, my only woman. I put my trust in you, Pianina Yedano Maigoma. You're my light in darkness, my only woman. Hey, Aniragira Nanu Madwongya, but there is none like you. Mongira Nano Madwongya, but there is none like you. Hey, baby Chinaka, you know you're madam, no one but you. Hey, hey.
Are we ready? Are we ready?
I love you so much, my people. If you love Eezzy, let me see your lights in the air like this. Let me see your lights in the air like this. Are we ready? Are we ready? Ooh. You see, before I start anything, I want to let everybody know that my beautiful mom is in the crowd today. My beautiful mom is in the crowd today. I love you so much, mommy. Amari Matea Kamana. Amari Matea. Come here, mommy. Make some noise for my mama. One more time, DJ Joel.
Hey, you're killing me, DJ Joel.
Yeah. Let's only women kick on my bedroom. Kick on my bedroom. Kick on my bedroom. Let's go. A woman. Let's go. A woman. Mommy is a fighter. Mommy is a light. Carry belly drum, girl. Mommy will fight. Well, when you feel it here on there, so they can have. And if I pay your genetic, can you? Hey, hey, hey. Give me more. For the what? Hey, so the back I think about a boom. Well, let's every woman get warm up at 2. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so the back I think about a boom. Well, let's all the women get warm up at 2. Yeah, yeah. Let's sing it. Well, let's all the women get warm up at 2. Well, let's all the women get warm up at 2. Well, let's all the women get warm up at 2. Cause a woman will fight for a family to live. There will be borrowed so our children can eat. There will be yet so our children can live. Hey, hey, hey. La banda Uganda. La bomba lobo pedon. Canope mame cano ana perché. Canope mame canope acquiri. My money is a blessing. Young twinner. Minegi marketer. Bien she's a blessing. Soruba kaiti kaparabu. Well, let's all the women keep warm up at 2. Yeah, yeah. Soruba kaiti kaparabu. Well, let's all the women keep warm up at 2. Yeah, yeah. Are we ready to pray for our mothers? Our Father, please bless all mother. Bless all the women keep warm up. Bless all the women. Bless all the women. Soroba kaiti kaparagu. Chaka kirobie. Robiti. Robiti. I love you so much, Robiti. I love you so much. Hey. 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 Put it on. Soruba kaiti kaparagu. Chaka kimamie. Bless all the women keep warm up at 2. For all the mothers, oh, 99 Soruba kaiti kaparagu. Shaki mean easy. Maybe cantare ma Giulietti. Giulietti. Soruba kaiti kaparagu. Chaka kirobie. Robiti. 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 Are we ready? Are you ready for the vibe? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, his name is Eezzy, the Lyrical Gino, our very own, and he is unique. But I'm telling you, he's looking cute tonight. Are you ready for the party? Let's go, girl. the point, I will not waste time. I send you for my frog girl, and guess what? Hey, you look better than my ex girl. Tati on the Wakakana, over IT Agana. That's in the time because I got the honor. So, hey, can you hear me, girl? Hey, can you hear me, girl? Hey, can you hear me, girl? Hey, let's go. Hey, girl, can I get it up with you, girl? Can you make me fit in a me ear, my girl? How much you want to samawa? Don't know why you have to make me cry, girl. Yeah, I, girl, in a mirror that you make me take me, I want to look at you. Girl, come me got your love in up. Hey, uncle, we saw we call money. Me not like to you, girl, sick of money. Love you, see people, you go on my woody. Me and you together like Chaiko Majani, girl. Amazina Gozina, Ganyo, Minde, girl. Oh, no, let's see what the Tirigana Musica. Amazina Gago, Uganda, don't there, baby. Just wiggle it with me. Let's go. Can you hear me, girl? No, 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 no. Can you hear me, girl? Hey, girl, take it easy. You 10 out of 10. You make my heart easy. Woman, and then you tell me the you can't easy. Got a 10 out of 10. You make my heart easy. Woman, and then you tell me the you can't. And young man look, she a killer. Too hot, they wanna get up for Bagida. If I road link, come and fuck me la mila. Come closer, your body there for ya. Can you hear me, girl? Yeah, can you hear me, girl? No, can you hear me, girl? Na 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 na. Let me see your hands up for Eezzy. If I put on some weight, but you don't have a hey, good on what man never break it. Me can't see any other man now you that me want it. Tell us sing and you want your lady. Let it talk Uganda boy to win my money. Cause you're good enough. Give me that thing. My finger in the ring. A beautiful thing with that thing a ring a ling. 1, 2, 3, Ben Mega. Jagala Ben Mega. Baby Peggy. Jagala Ben Peggy. Now walk over the center when chuka chuka. Ze kusubiza uta chuka chuka. Kuona kwenye pawe kunta kunta. Omo kwano, baby girl, na eze tonsukuma. Nilomo tufera kuagala. Hey, I will never make you alter. I will never make you feel like you're lonely, my baby, no. Hey, so baby, kilora. My girl, baby, kilora. Best mega. Jagala Ben Mega. Baby Peggy. White jam on the candy. Let's go. I'm having so much fun tonight with you guys. Listen. Lurong no gemeron nga ka ada. But we survive, yeah? We survive. Remo paluote kumaroko. I am home, safe, proud to be Luo. I want us to first of all put our hands together. Pikila la diam Luo muberi with state can. These have been amazing artists. I want to send my thanks to every single artist that has been on this stage. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you to Badman Solo. Management, thank you so much. Thank you to Eezzy Music. Thank you to Starland. Thank you to Acholi Empire. Thank you to all the DJs, everyone who supports Luo music. You are all here because you support Luo music, yeah? You're not here for Eezzy. You're here for Luo music. Kumeroko, I want the next time somebody else other than Eezzy to make this same concert and you turn up like this. Kumeroko, this is what we need in the land, right? Thank you so much. All I want to say now is Pabiromowe in full Lizo. Kumeroko, I'm gonna be coming in beats because I still have an injury on my head. No me ratiaka UAP da kera bit more. Aye kong do tena mo kena biyano na mchinyo. Kumeroko, I'm gonna come back fully packaged. Kumeroko, make some noise for Eezzy. Thank you so much.